It's official. It is raining in California.
Hallelujah.
Whoever knew rain was possible in California? It feels good. Haven't had this kind of rain in quite a while. It doesn't matter if it's barely, it's rain in the summer. Why did it come in the summer? This makes no sense. It's like seeing snow in Vegas, even though that's actually quite common. I wonder if it's raining at home. Rain!
Some people just want to watch the world burn.
Watch this, right? You threw that in. It's wine. Gas. Oh! Alright, I covered it.
There are ants everywhere. This is my sister's doing.
Minä sanon Eevalle, mitäpä se haittaa. Laskema vielä hiilahiestä laitaa. Salivili, hipput, tupput, tapput, äppyt, tipput hiljalle.